My name is Dr. Dugassa from Haramaya University, Ethiopia, and the Department of Food Science and Post-Harvest Technology. Currently, I'm serving as assistant professor. I'm privileged to be one of the participants and the communication skill for the young researcher in the Uganda. In the first days, way of effective communications, how to, the research one have to make into the video one, converting the video form to easily disseminate for the wider communities, particularly in the rural communities, which is help to grasp, to get information what we are doing before in the form of video. So I'm very surprising, especially way of editing video, because I have no experience previously, because I'm already doing research then publishing, but I didn't make as a form of video. So it's very, very important, especially for wider communities, to easily, communicate in the form of video, because to use our technology is even as home-based, because even when you come to back to our university, I wanted to train those interesting, which is doing the communication skill to build their research in the form of video, which is very significant to influence their research work in the form of the video. Also, I'm learning the blogger, how to my research, how to blog, how to create the form of research, the form of blog, how to publish is very influential from this training. So thank you very much all.